Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials, not by guessing. Check Settings General Software Update and install any iOS update. Once done, go straight to Settings Focus and turn off Do Not Disturb or any active focus for testing. Then make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for the app's missing alerts. This allows notifications to fetch content in the background. If an app still misses alerts, force quit and reopen it so changes take effect immediately. Once you've handled system-level toggles, focus on power and app specifics. Disable low power mode because it delays background activity. Go to Settings Battery and turn it off. Next, inspect each app's notification options in Settings Notifications and confirm allow notifications, sounds, badges, and proper alert style are set. If settings look correct, update the app in the App Store. If problems persist, delete and reinstall the app to clear corrupt local data. Finish by clearing stubborn state. Perform a force restart appropriate to your model to flush temporary issues. If notifications still arrive late, reset network settings to clear connectivity quirks, or reset all settings as a last step. It preserves data but restores defaults. Make sure to sign back into iCloud and verify time and date are set automatically. If this still fails, test the same account on another device or create a new account on your iPhone to determine whether the problem is device-specific or account-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.